Hey everyone, welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove distracting items on your Safari with your iPhone running on iOS 18. This feature is available once you update your device to iOS 18, so make sure first to update it to the latest version. Let's start this tutorial by opening your Safari app. Once you're on the Safari, look for the browser bar and then tap on the little icon with rectangle shape beside the search bar, which is located on the left side part. It will show a pop up window, and in here, select the Hide Distracting Items. Now simply select an item that you want to hide on the screen, then tap on it. It will show an option saying Hide. Tap this again to remove it. Do this to all of the distracting items, and once you're finished with it, tap the Done button below to save the changes. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video.